Yorobon annyeonghaseyo. Guys, ito na yung part 5 ng mga vocabs na ina-upload natin everyday na minimorize ko dati nung ako'y nag-exam pa lang. Guys, kung gusto nyo talagang maipasa ang exam, dapat i-memorize nyo talaga ito. At least 10 to 20 vocabs everyday. Niktae, tai, noribang, karaoke, norihada, to sing, norigongwon, amusement park, nunggohada, to play basketball, nungbo, farmer, nutkumukta, to place ball on the table while eating, nuna, older sister, non, ice, snow, noniuda, to snow, nutta, to be late, taruda, to be different, tari, leg, tariga puruchida, to break one's leg, tarirol kukuanta, to cross one's leg while sitting, tarirol tudlta, to shake one's leg, tarirol pulyusu anta, to sit one's legs wide open, tarimi, iron, taumtal, next month, taumjo, next week, tachida, to get hurt, takda, to wipe, talda, to be sweet, talyok, calendar, tak, chicken, tambikum churul purida, to throw away cigarette butts, tambirol piuda, to smoke, tichurada, to loan, pig, house, turupta, to be dirty, tupta, to be hot, turo, road, yuso hostel, youth hostel, yuchokche, historic site, yuchipom, dairy product, yukyo, pedestrian, overpass, yuwol, John, onyeng, bank, umsingmol, food, umsingmol banipkunche, no food or drink allowed, umsigol mandelda, to cook, umsigol changmanhada, to prepare food, umagol tutta, to listen to music, oriu, clothing, oisa, doctor, oicha, chair, idong, transport, imam, email, ibuntal, this month, ibuncho, this week, ibol, blanket, ibinhugkwa, otolaryngology, isulamgyo, Islam, iyagirol naduda, to about conversation with, iyunghada, to use, iwol, February, ichungpyo, signpost, road, traffic sign, Indonesia, internet, kangurul tutta, to take online courses, internet kumsik, internet search, internet chunwa, internet porn, internet cheating, internet chatting,